Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to get YouTube Music Premium on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to get the YouTube Music Premium on your phone, first open up your YouTube Music app, and after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the upgrade button available for us. At the bottom right, tap on the upgrade button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here, guys. You can see you'll get the YouTube Music Premium for free for 1 month, but after that you'll be required to pay a certain amount of money. So in order to proceed with the period, you can see, if you scroll down, you can see the individual pack, family pack, and the student pack. Now choose the best plan for you. For me, I'll be just going with the individual. Let's tap on the try one for $0 over here, and with that being done, guys, a credit card adding place will show up at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the add credit or debit card button over there, and proceed by adding your credit card or debit card number over here, and go through or fill up all of the forms required by the YouTube Music Premium in order for the payment to happen of your debit or credit card. And with that being done, guys, you will have got the YouTube Music Premium app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.